Okay, you need the equation of a monic quadratic with this vertex. So monic means that if your quadratic is in this form, which just means some x squareds, some x's and some c's, then monic means that a is 1. So that means we can narrow that down and say it's just x squared. We know that there's no, that a is 1 in there. Now, remember when we looked at our quadratics when they're in vertex form? Vertex form actually looks like this. This is general form, and vertex form looks like this, where the vertex is HK. Remember that one? And we get that from this by completing the square so that we have x in a bracket with something squared. And once you have it in that form, you can pretty much just read the vertex straight off. It's whatever has been subtracted from x will be the x part of the vertex, and then this here. So if we're trying to find a monic quadratic with vertex 1, 0, monic means that a is 1, and this a means the same thing as this a. So that means we've got just a 1 out there and we don't need to write it down. And then the x value is 1, so we do minus 1 because this vertex hk means h is 1. And then k is 0, so this has to be squared. When you add 0, you may as well just not write that down. So that's the first one. To do one like, let's say the vertex was 3 minus 2, say. Well, let's do one with a negative actually. We'll do minus 3 minus 2. Then if it was monic, you'd say, all right, we need to do x minus minus 3, which is x plus 3. See how that's still x minus minus 3? And then the k value, minus 2, has to be tacked onto the end like that. So that's how you do one with a vertex here.